Transform your Shopify store into an extraordinary powerhouse with the revolutionary Theme Sections feature. Empowering merchants, Theme Sections allow you to install custom features seamlessly, enhancing your store's appeal without hefty costs. In the world of e-commerce, standing out requires a unique design and optimized functionality. Customizing your Shopify theme used to be an expensive and time-consuming challenge. Theme Sections change this narrative. With Theme Sections, effortlessly combine visual elements and storytelling. Engage your visitors meaningfully and drive conversions. From striking images to compelling text, highlight your products and brand values in an eye-catching format. Capture attention with dynamic slideshows or compelling videos that bring your products to life in a new way. Showcase your brand story or product details through versatile text blocks and engaging FAQ sections for easy navigation. Extend past the limitations of your theme, create a store that truly reflects your unique style and branding. Install the Theme Updater and Backups app today and watch your store's potential unfold before your eyes.